Welcome to the picnic season. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase that signals outdoor fun, good food, and sunny days, picnic season. Let's unpack what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, picnic season, refers to the time of year when the weather is ideal for having a picnic, which is typically an outdoor meal where people sit on blankets on the ground. This season usually corresponds with late spring and summer when the sun is shining, and the temperatures are warm enough to enjoy the outdoors. Picnics are a popular social activity across many cultures, especially in places with distinct seasons. They are not just meals but social events that often include games, conversations, and relaxation. Knowing about picnics will help you understand references in English literature, movies, and conversations. You can use picnic season in a sentence to express excitement or to make plans. For example, I can't wait for the picnic season. I've already packed my basket. Is it picnic season already? Let's plan a day out in the park. And that's a wrap on picnic season. We hope this video has given you a taste of this delightful time of the year and how to talk about it in English. Enjoy your picnics and remember to share your favorite picnic stories with us. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.